Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So have you ever wanted to flood the entire world? Balloons. I got you. So first, you wanna have like a whole bunch of balloons. Yo, balloons! Balloons! There. Found them. Place one down, like anywhere. Set your trout to 60, move them up, just like that. Now set your skeletal to 5. Do not scale them to 10. And then scale them like me. Make it 11 by 11. Now what you want to do is get a lever. And then you want to make your trout clone. And then activate it and then quickly clone it. Delete the first one. Do not delete the second one. Because this will be our ball for the flood. Change it to any color you like. I would choose this color. Because why not? Because it looks like more like a real flood. And then start cloning. Now if you're starting to get stuck and not being able to do the cloning process because it's too tall, you can simply make whatever this thing is a platform, get a portal, and then just start cloning it up, just like that. Get into the portal, scale all of these balloons, and then start cloning until you run out of balloons. There. And then every time the balloons get too tall, just select your pole and move it up. Just like that. Because it's pretty crazy. Just like delete the platform. Because I have exactly 0 balloons. Whoa. How the heck do I have 2 balloons? 3, 2, 1. Wait, no. Not now. Because yeah, dude, I want to have exactly 0 balloons. 3, 2, 1. Flood! 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 Holy! Holy! Oh my! Look at the balloons. Look at the balloons. Yeah, dude, I can say this is pretty overpowered. Look at that! Look at that person! No way. This. Look at green. Look at me. Look at white. Dude, they're even stuck between the trees. Look at black. What have I done? Oh my god! Dude. No way, dude. This is way too crazy. And that's how you flood the entire world. There are still balloons over there. Yeah, say bye-bye to them. Bye. Also, bye, gamers.